we will start through the PYQs. First of all, we will do previous year's question. All the previous year's question, here are so many previous year's question from 2023 11th March 2023 to 11th March, 15th March 2023 also there, then 2022, then 2021, 2020, 2019 and 2018. From all this question we are going to do all the important question, everything we are going to cover here. Okay, yes, here we are going to cover everything. After that some expected question also, and with the question only I will discuss concept. Whenever the questions are there, with the question concept will be also discussed. So let's start without wasting time. So it is the 11th March 2023 question. Let's start it. The first question is from A star algorithm. A star algorithm is a very important algorithm from where always questions are coming, and it is a question from A star algorithm. Do this. Yes, everyone, you can like, share and subscribe. If anyone is new here, you have to subscribe, otherwise you will be not able to chat with me. Tell me the answer. What will be the answer of this question? The A star algorithm is optimal when A star algorithm is optimal. Yes, answers are coming. Arpita, Mumtaz, Betri, everyone is giving the answer. Yes, A star algorithm is optimal when it is giving the solution. What is A star algorithm? How the A star algorithm is working? A star algorithm is working from start to goal. Here is the starting to goal, and after that we are traversing through intermediate nodes. There are so many options can be there, but whenever you are coming to intermediate mode, after that maybe it is your path, so maybe it is your current position. So here we are calculating like that, Fn equals to Gn plus Hn, where Hn is the heuristic value. Heuristic means it is an assumption. We are assuming that from the current node how much distance it will be to reach to the goal node. That is your Hn, that is called the heuristic value. And Gn is what is already you traverse, that is starting to the current node, what is the distance, that is called Gn. And it is a very important line that always A star is giving you optimal solution when you are not overestimating. Overestimation is not allowed. If Hn is not overestimated, then it will give you the optimal solution, and that is called admissible. This is called admissible, that is if it is not overestimated, it will give you optimal solution. And from this area questions are coming always. A star is a very important algorithm, so answer is this one. That is your quick revision for your A star algorithm. Now go for the next question. Here the next question is, which artificial intelligence technique enable the computer to understand the association and the relationship between the event and between the object and event? Okay, I can see 84 live learners. You can make it 100. You can make it 100. Try to share with all of your friends. Tell them to join quickly so that there will be 100 live learners. Definitely you can make it 100. It's up to you. Share it as much as possible. Share it with your status. Yes, watching this, you can share with your all the groups. Everyone, yes, all of you are correct here. The pattern matching, this is the object and event. When we are finding the relationship, means there is a pattern, so we are matching the pattern, so answer is pattern matching. Very good. Where does the alpha beta search gets updated? Where alpha beta search will be updated? Alpha beta search we are doing, it is the next version of minimax algorithm. Whenever we are doing min-max algorithm, alpha beta is giving you the time complexity will be less using the alpha beta search. So alpha beta pruning also you learn. Options are coming here. Yes, option will be along the path, everywhere, because everywhere whenever you are starting, after that you are traversing, always we are updating the alpha and beta value throughout the path. Alpha beta will be updated. Good, very good. Next question is 4 input neuron. Here these are the inputs given, and here this is, and do this one. What will be the answer for this? This is the question on neural network. Nowadays pattern is, if you see this 2023 question, all the questions are from neural network, genetic algorithm, learning algorithm and different types of algorithm. All the questions are from here. So nowadays pattern is focusing on this area. Yes, option answers are coming. Answer is 507. How to do it? Here we are doing like that, whatever weight and with that the input, right? We are multiplying weight with the input. So what will be this? 1 will be multiplied with, this is 1, this is multiplied with the 5. Then after that the 2 will be multiplied with 7. Then next one, this 3 will be multiplied with 10. Then next one, this 4 will be multiplied with 30. 4 is multiplying with 30. And here after that finally there was a constant 3. This 3 will be multiplied with this. So that's why your answer will come 507. If you are getting this value, you are getting 507 and answer will be 507 here. Yes, all of you are correct. Those who are not able to do, you can understand, yes, in this way you can do it. Now, which AI system mimics the evolutionary process to generate the increasingly better solution to a process to the problem? Increasingly it is giving you better solution. Is it self-organizing neural network? Is it back propagation neural network, genetic algorithm or forward propagation neural network? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, I can see everyone is giving answer. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Option 3, that is the option C is the correct answer. Genetic algorithm is always improving because genetic algorithm is working in that way where it will do the cross with the chromosome. After doing the cross, every time it is checking that there will be the mutation. After mutation, if it is updated, the value is updated, then it will be in a loop. And it is converging when the old generation and the new generation there is not that much difference, then only genetic algorithm will stop. Otherwise it is like a loop going on. That is the genetic algorithm, and that's why genetic algorithm is always going for the updation and increasingly it is giving you better solution. That's why answer will be here genetic algorithm. Those who are telling 4, they are wrong. 4 is not the correct answer. Genetic algorithm is the correct answer. Now see, consider the following learning algorithm. Here these are some learning algorithm, and from the learning algorithm it is asking you that which of the option is coming under classification algorithm. Yes, so here answer is coming. Answer will be the A and B is the correct answer. That is logistic regression and the back propagation. So why this is the answer? For that I am going to some theoretical concept, because this concept is very important concept regarding learning algorithm. Let's learn some learning algorithm. After that we will back to this question. Okay, so learning algorithm and the genetic algorithm, very important concept. Let's learn that. All this overview and all this understanding will be clear. Then we will come from this question again. Just let me go to this. So here I am telling you what was the genetic algorithm. First of all, see the genetic algorithm. After that I am coming to the learning algorithm. How the genetic algorithm is working. Genetic algorithm is working like that. Here there will be the chromosome. From here also questions are coming. Maybe question can come from here also. Genetic algorithm, whenever we are doing, there will be the offspring. It is the crossover. How the crossover cross point is going on, you can see here. The cross point is going on. high chance the question can come from here, from genetic algorithm. Here you can see the algorithm is going on initialize the population, after that fitness evaluation, because it will check that the chromosome is fit or not. Then it is coming to the termination condition. If it is yes, then it will be terminated, otherwise it will select the population, then again do the crossover and mutation. Now the thing is that how the crossover is going on. For doing it, you can see how it is going on. There are 3 individuals. You can see there are some values, it is taking some values. After that it will check the fitness score. Here the fitness score is coming like 13%, 4%, 33%. After that it is selecting some randomly. Yes, these are the values I am going to select. After that it will do the reproduction. Reproduction means through the parent and child there will be the crossover. Here the crossover is going on between yellow color and the green color, because yellow color is the 13% and the green color is 33%. But the blue color was 0.4%, that's why we are not taking this one. These are the 2 most promising one, because these are the most best one. So I am taking this best one. After that we are doing, here I am zooming it little bit so that you can understand this part. You can see here the parent, the cross is going on. How the cross is going on? 0.51 and 0.11 is here, and after that 0.72 and 0.02 is coming here. Again from this area I am taking this one, and from this area I am taking this one. This is called the crossover. Very carefully check that how the crossover is going on. The yellow color and green color mixed up and crossover done, and after that here is mutation. Mutation means the 0.11 suddenly update to the value of 0.48. That is the mutation. And after the mutation you are getting this new generation. You can see the new generation. This is your new generation. So it is a upgraded version of new generation. It is the way the genetic algorithm is working. And question can come from here, that is how to do your crossover. How to do crossover, that see that here was the value 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0. Next value was 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here is the crossover point. 0, 0, 0 with 1, 1, 1 and this 0, 0, 0 with 1, 1, 1. That's why new offspring is coming like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. That is your new offspring. Okay. Now if I am asking you that two parent I am giving like that 0, 1, 1, then 0, 0, 1 and another parent is 1, 0, 1, then 1, 1, 0. So if I am doing here crossover, then what will be the new offspring? Good afternoon. What will be the new offspring from here? Do it. My question is, this is the parent. I am giving you this parent. Here 0, 1, 1, then 0, 0, 1 and here this is 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0. What will be the new offspring? Do it and tell me in the chat box. These are very important questions. Do it and tell me in the chat box. What will be the answer? And those who are watching, please click on the like button. Till now I can see 88, 86 learners are there, but only 41 like. So you can click on the like button. After that you can continue the class. At least you can click on like. Yes, I can see answers are coming. Yes, answer will be here. From here I will take 0, 1, 1. After that I will take this one, that is 1, 1, 0. And from here I will take 1, 0, 1 and from here I will take 0, 0, 1. This will be your new offspring. This will be your new offspring. Okay? Clear? Clear to everyone? Yes, very good everyone. Very good. Okay. So it is your genetic algorithm, and your genetic algorithm we did it. Now in the genetic algorithm there are some more concept in neural network and the learning algorithm. Quickly do the revision of learning algorithm so that you can do the question. Different types of questions are coming from different types of learning algorithm, that is the supervised learning, unsupervised learning. So let's do the revision and then I am coming to the question. So see here different types of, here this is your main category. In the machine learning there are the different types of machine learning. Here you can see this is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning and reinforcement learning. Question was from the classification. Question was the where it is regarded to classification. For that you need to understand this, right? So supervised learning are two categories here. There are the continuous and categorical. Unsupervised learning, target variable not there. It is categorical target, it is also categorical and target variable. Supervised learning can be in two types, regression and classification. Very very important. So many questions will be there, I will ask you, remember it. There is regression and classification. Unsupervised learning, clustering and association. Semi-supervised learning, classification and clustering. Reinforcement learning, classification and the control. These are the main types of different types of learning. Now whenever you are coming to this part from here, these are your quick revision chart. Under supervised learning, regression is coming linear and polynomial regression. Classification, under that it is coming KNN, tree, logistic regression, these are coming. Now you can see from here how actually supervised learning and unsupervised learning is going on. Supervised learning means what? That is someone is there to guide you. Like that I am here to guide you. I am telling you how it is going on. That is called supervised learning. Unsupervised learning means no one is there. No one is there to guide. That's why it is called unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning means the machine or the human being, anywhere, it is learning from experience. That is called reinforcement learning. So here you can see the supervised learning. Here how actually what are the difference. I am showing you some picture so that through the picture your supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement will be more clear. These pictures are giving you the idea that what is supervised learning. You can see the picture here. The supervised learning is, here are the training data. Data will be given. The label data, trained data is given to you. It is given that these are apple and these are bananas. From here that your machine is getting the training. Now after that it is asking that what is this. So machine can tell that yes, this is an apple. Because here always it is working with labeled data. Data is always labeled. Someone always train the machine, after that machine is working. Now here the unsupervised learning, you can see these are the training data but unlabeled. There is no labeling. No labeling is there like it is apple or it is banana or whatever. No label, without any label. Machine is making the cluster. These are the same type of, these are same type, these are same type. Machine is making the cluster and after that machine is trying to understand. And that's why this is called the unsupervised learning. That's why this is called unsupervised learning. Okay. Next one is reinforcement learning. How it is going on? Reinforcement means nothing. No data, no input data, nothing is given. Directly it is asking question, what is this? Now machine is telling, is it mango? So it is telling no, it's wrong, it is an apple. So then machine will understand, okay, I did mistake, and machine will add that, okay, this type of data is apple. That is called reinforcement learning. So those who will continue the class, they will learn through reinforcement learning also. You can learn. in this session there will be supervised also, there will be reinforcement also. Because supervised means I will give you the concept, after that I will ask you. Maybe some question I will ask you, you don't know anything. After that I will tell you that you will do the mistake. After that I will tell you, no, it is this one. So you will understand that, okay, you will write it down, okay, this is the wrong answer, this is the correct answer. Means you can learn. So that's why what to do, that's why you need to continue the class till the end. After that your complete AI will be done. You can see this way only you can also learn. If machine can learn, you can also learn in this way, right? So now you can see here the regression and classification. Supervised learning are divided into two parts, regression and classification. Okay, regression and classification, two types are there. So what is regression? What is called regression? You can see this. Here it is regression. This is very important, very important. Regression algorithm are used if there is a relationship between the input variable and output variable. It is trying to find out the relationship between input and output and used for the prediction. It will predict something like how weather forecasting, market trends. There we are using the regression algorithm. And where we are using the classification algorithm? Classification means when the output variable will be categories. You can divide into some categories like that: spam, not spam, male, female, true, false. These are called classification algorithm. Okay, so these are the main two types of supervised learning, and regression classification is coming for this. Regression, what are regression? Here you can see simple linear regression. From here most of the questions are coming. I am telling you, must remember it. From here 99% chances there you will get question. You will see I am going to ask you so many questions from here. So 99% chances there you are going to get questions here. So must remember it. Here the regression, simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression, decision tree, random, these all are coming. Under classification, linear model. What is linear model? Logistic regression and support vector machine. Non-linear is KNN, kernel, and there is Navi's theorem, that is very important, decision tree and random forecast. These are coming under supervised learning. Okay, now we will do the unsupervised learning. So what is coming under unsupervised? That is also see that in unsupervised it is divided into two parts, that is clustering and association. One is clustering, another is association. So what is clustering? Clustering is the method, means making group. You are making the group of clustering. Clustering means the grouping the object together, that is cluster. And whenever we are doing association, association is associated, like that if some customer is buying bread, with that the jam normally other customer is taking. Whenever you are buying in online, then with some product this is associated. Normally customer is buying this product with that. That is the association rule through which the machine can predict, okay, if this customer is interested for this product, then maybe the customer is interested for this product also. That is the association. Got it? What I told in supervised and unsupervised, what are the main point? I hope it is clear to everyone. The main points are clear to everyone and you can remember what is going on here. Yes, yes or no? Yes. So here you can see these are the comparison table. Here you can see the comparison table, how it is going on, the supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement. This is labeled data, unlabeled data, no predefined data, regression and classification, here association and clustering, here exploration or here it is going on extra supervision, no supervision, no supervision, linear regression, logistic regression is, and these are here K-mean, C-mean, A priori algorithm is very important. Here is Q learning, SARSA. These are the main difference between different types of learning. From there only your question came. Okay, so now you can understand that, okay, from where the question was, and that's why your answer is this one. That is what are coming under, what are the learning algorithm, which of the following learning algorithm coming under classification algorithm. Classification algorithm is coming under supervised also and reinforcement also, right, unsupervised. So that's why your answer will be back propagation and logistic regression. Okay, now do this question. This is the question on perception layer of neural network. So in neural network there are different types of neural network. Simple single perception layer is one type. So single perception layer, what it is using? And, or, nor, XOR. And, or, nor, XOR. This is very important. Yes, answers are coming. Answer will be this one. Now why this is the answer? Sometimes question are giving like that way also ki it is what problem. Sometimes question are coming, is it and problem or XOR problem. Like this way also questions are coming. Okay, so actually why it is called? Because if you are taking some value, how the OR table is working? OR table is working like that. 0 0 is 0, 0 1 means it is 1, 1 0 means it is also 1, 1 1 means it is also 1. So if you are trying to put in a graph these values, if you are trying to put in a graph, where will be the 0 0? Try to understand how it is going on and why it is going on. If you are putting the value here, this is 0 0, right? So it is 0 1, I can take that, this is 1 also. So 0 1, see that here next value is 0 0, this is 0. Now after that 0 1, this is your 0 1 point, 1 0, this is your 1 0 point, 0 1 0, 1 point is this one, 1 0 point is this one, 1 1 point is this one. These are the points. Now you can see all 1 is in one group and 0 is in another group. Okay, so if I am taking this 0 as red color, I am making the 0 as red color. Okay, this is the point as red color, and all the 1 what are giving 1, that is I am doing in green color. These are I am doing in green color. I am doing in green color because these are all giving 1. 1 0 is also giving 1, 0 1 is also giving 1, 1 1 is also giving 1. Now the thing is that can I separate them with a single line? Can I draw a boundary line between them so that I can separate them? Yes, I can draw a boundary line. This is a single boundary line. Through the single boundary line I can separate them. Means they are linearly separable. It is asking you the single perception layer is only able to do the linearly separable problem which you can divide with a single boundary. That's why OR problem is divisible by a single boundary. Okay, same way if you are doing the AND problem, then AND problem also you can do, because AND problem is working like that. 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is also 0, 1 0 is also 0, 1 1 is only 1. So for that 1 1 will come in this side. So here what will be happen? 1 1 will be the blue color only. Other than that all will be your red color. Like this way. These all are red color. If I am doing it, so if I am erasing this one, then it is like that. These all the values are red color actually. So can I make it separate? Yes, I can draw a line between them. That's why I can make it separate. So that's why OR and AND problem is separable. Or and means opposite one, that is not or means not will be also separable. Not and means NAND will be also separable. But if you are taking XOR, how the XOR is working? XOR is working 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 1, 1 1 means 0. That is XOR problem. Now tell me, in XOR can you make it separate? Here this one is 0, this one is 0. 0 0 is also 0, 1 1 is also 0. So means here what will be happen? This color will be red. Here your red color is this one. 0 0 and 1 1. This is your red color, right? And 0 1, this is 0 1, and here also this is 1 0. Now can you make it separate with a single line? Can you separate them with a single line? You cannot separate them in a single line. Single line separation is not possible. At least it's required 2 line. At least you cannot make it separate. Anyhow you cannot make it separate. That's why it is not linearly separable. That is the reason why it is not linearly separable. That's why it is not linearly separable, and XOR problem is not linearly separable. Remember that and understand the concept, because sometimes numerical also coming from here. That's why option D is not linearly separable. Clear? Concept clear? I hope so. Concept clear to everyone? Why it is not linearly separable? I hope so. Yes. चलो, if concept clear हो जाए तो यहाँ पे एक, here I can see a heart sign, so you can click on that so I can see, okay, yes everyone, it's clear to you. चलो, now do this one. Today your artificial intelligence will be favorite subject, I am telling you. After doing this class, your artificial intelligence will be one of the favorite subject in your list, and you will be never scared about artificial intelligence. You will be never scared about artificial intelligence. Do this one. बारिश हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Very good, very good. This is looking very good, looking very nice. This is a new feature added in YouTube. That's good. Yes, so answers are coming here. Option 4 is the correct answer. This is a new pattern. This is a new pattern. Sometimes students are thinking that ma'am, question is incomplete. Ma'am, question is incomplete. No, it is not an incomplete question. It is a complete question only. Here it is actually you have to do the category between two. What is coming under category 1 and what is coming under category 2. Understanding, in teaching aptitude also you learn the language understanding. Natural language understanding means when you are able to find out the relationship between two problems, that is the understanding level. That you learn in teaching aptitude also, right? So that's why you can see the map, the input useful representation. Mapping means you are able to find out the relationship between them. That is called the mapping. So that's why it is understanding. Other than that, all are coming under language generation. That's why A, B, C all are coming under language generation. And the mapping means here you are able to find out the relationship between the input and the representation. That's why your answer will be this one. This is a new pattern. Nowadays they are asking this type of question. Don't be confused. Yes, in this way you need to solve. Okay. Normally we are habituated with that. Here is 4 option. Here is 4 option. We are matching like this. But nowadays they are asking like this way also. Okay. Chalo. Now do this one. Here it is asking the feature of artificial neural network. What are the feature of artificial neural network? Do it. 92. More 8 learners are needed to do the 100. Make it 100 quickly. Make it 100. Map means mapping. Map means mapping. Map means not the Google map or your country map. Map means mapping. Mind mapping. That is map. Okay. Yes, answer is coming here. The all of the above are the answer, because from this question only you can understand artificial neural network is coming from the concept of human nervous system. It is correct only. And here we are doing the very large data set we are solving. That is also correct. And it is essentially machine learning algorithm. This is also correct. And there is able to extract without input, because unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, supervised learning, everything coming under neural network. Our brain can understand anything. Our brain can take decision of anything, and it is able to do, it is able to add the new rules also. New artificial neural network also can do everything. That's why answer will be here A. Option A is the correct answer. And note it down, all these points. Those who are doing the class, now only you can with your pen and paper sit here and try to take the notes, because from here also your quick revision notes will be done. You can see what is artificial neural network. These are the main feature of artificial neural network. You can write it down and you can make it, right? Okay, now do this one. This is actually a reasoning type question. It is not coming under AI, so I will not do under AI. This is a reasoning type question only. I will go for the next question. This is called overfitting. Overfitting is expected when we observe it. Overfitting. What is overfitting? Do it. So yes, the answer is this one, overfitting. So what is overfitting? I am telling you. Overfitting and the underfitting. There are two concepts. One is called overfitting, another is called underfitting. So overfitting and underfitting, this problem occurs in machine learning when it is degrade. Learning is degrade the performance of the machine model. Like that, the main goal of the machine learning for the generalize. But whenever we are not able to generalize it, the signal is coming sometimes noisy signal, that is coming under overfitting. When the overfitting occur, the model tries to cover all the point. In the data point, whatever inputs are there, the model is trying to cover all the data points or more than the required points. Then it starts some problem. Then there is coming some noise and inaccurate values are coming here. So that's why it is creating some problem. In accuracy, it will be not accurate result because of lots of input data. That's why it is called the overfitting. So here you can see the option. From the option it is clear that with the training iteration, error or the training set decrease, but the test set increase. Overfitting, if you are overfitting your child, then what will be happen? He or she will vomit, right? Vomiting will be there. So that is the same problem. If you are giving too much data set, input set, and machine is trying to work on all the input set, then there will be the problem. It will face some error. That is called overfitting here. Just like the overfeeding, you can understand, just like overfeeding. Okay, now go for the 15th March question. As you know, 2023 there was two paper. In 2023 there was two paper. One is the 11th March paper, another is the 15th March paper. Because in Delhi there was some problem in some center, that's why they arranged another question also. So in my collection there are all 100 plus 100, 200 questions are there of 2023, and these are very good quality question. So we will do one by one all the subjects. We will do that. Software engineering already we did here, and now we are doing AI. Next day we will do the next subject. Okay, yes. Now do this. Just wait 1 minute. Yes, who is this? Not required. Okay, now do this one. Do this one. What is the process of capturing inference process as a single inference rule? As a single inference rule. Okay, answer is generalized modus ponens. Generalized modus ponens rule, that is the answer. Because generalized modus ponens is working on the inference process. That's why. Fuzzy set is a form of what? Fuzzy set is a form of what? Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is a form of what? Yes, so fuzzy logic is working on many value, because it is not working in two value, it is not working in the binary set value also, because fuzzy set is working between 0 to 1. Anything is possible. Between 0 to 1 it can be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. All the values are possible. Any values between 0 to 1 it is possible. That's why it is working with many value logic. Okay. Now here is the question on 4WS problem. What is 4WS problem? Canvas helping in the key elements related to the problem. 4WS canvas. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer on 4WS? Now what is 4WS, ma'am? You will do the reinforcement learning. You will do the here reinforcement learning. Those who don't know 4W. So what is 4W? I am going to explain you the 4W here. Yes, answer are coming. So here the 4W. What is 4W? 4W means who, what, where, why. Who, what, where, why. These are 4W. So who means who are you solving the problem? Who are solving the problem? Who is here? What is the problem here? And where the problem exists and why you are solving it. That is the 4W. So why we are doing it? Because of problem scoping. It is working on problem scope. What is the scope of the problem? That's why answer will be here problem scoping. Okay, got it? Very easy, right? Always 4W. 4W is here. Now do this one. Now do this one. Do it. Here only it's going on. AI division is going on here only. Who is this? Anand Lakshmi Kumar. We are doing AI division only here. Here only revision is going on. Do the class. Everything will be done. I am explaining the concept also. Okay. Yes. So here what will be the answer? Feature of machine learning. Acha, this is we did. We did this one. It is done. Do this one. Okay. That is 2 times repeated. Sorry. Do this one. Consider the following drawbacks of the rule. What are the drawbacks of rule-based approach? What are the drawbacks of rule-based approach? 98. More 2. More 2. Make it more 2. We can see the 100 at least. More 2 learners required. You can share your friend and tell them to join the session. More 2 learners required. Arre, whenever I told 98, it's come to 93. Someone are watching and they are gone. Okay, I will not say anything now. Chalo. So here, rule based approach. What is the problem of rule based approach? The rule based approach is what? Rule based approach means whenever in machine learning we are feeding the rule first, after that machine is working. Okay, we are feeding the rule, after that machine will work. There is no chance of adding new rule again. Even also when machine is working, machine cannot add from the experience. There is no chance. So it is just like a static. So that's why here learning is static, and any changes made the original data is not considered here. And once the trained model cannot improve through the feedback. So that's why in your life also, don't go with a rule based approach. Don't fix some rule in your life that I will follow this rule always. I will not go beside that. I will not go beyond the rule. Then you will be static. Always you have to be dynamic. Always you have to learn from your experience. You have to be always open-minded, and you have to be always a learning agent. A learning agent is always learning through experience, and you have to be open-minded. Don't static it. Don't make it that you are very much rigid, that I am not want to learn. There are some fixed rule. I will do this only. I will not do that. So always try to explore yourself so that you can improve your performance. That is in your life also it is required, right? So these are the problem of rule based approach. So always remember, too much rule if you are following, then you will be static and there will be no growth in your life. So try to break some rule also. That is also required sometime. Breaking the rule are good. Okay, chalo. Now do this one. Do this one. DSSB exam. For DSSB exam also, what are the common subject? These questions will be helpful for that also. Okay. What are the common subjects? Same subjects are there. It will be helpful to you also. Here is unsupervised learning. Supervised learning you need to match. You need to match with unsupervised and supervised learning. Do the matching. Just now I discussed with you. Regression, KNN, clustering and decision tree. What is the correct answer? Yes. So answers are coming. Option 2 is the correct answer here. Because here only clustering is the unsupervised learning. Only clustering is unsupervised. Other than that, regression, KNN and decision tree all are coming under supervised learning. That's why option 2 is the correct answer. Right? That's why your option 2 is the correct answer. Very, very good. Now do this one. Here is the question on given below the two statements. One label is assertion and reason. Do the answer. What will be the answer? Do it. Today 7 p.m. every day 7 p.m. the mock test is going on. I hope you all know that 7 p.m. there is the mock test on all topic. The mixed topic mock test is going on today 7 p.m. also class is there. I will share the link on the Telegram channel. Must join the 7 p.m. class also. There I will start the poll. You have to answer in the poll. You can see your leaderboard. Within time bound practice will be done there. That is very, very important, time bound practice, and where you are you can see yourself. So be connected with Telegram channel. I share the link also. So there I will share the link and must join 7 p.m. Okay. So answers are coming here that yes, option 2 is the correct answer. Because why? Assertion and reason is the very, very popular type of question for paper 1 also, for paper 2 also. Very much popular assertion reason question. So always in assertion reason you have to think, most of the time students are doing mistake here, that this is true, this is true, then they are thinking it is a correct explanation. No, don't do the mistake. Always ask yourself why. Whatever statement is given in assertion, ask that why. Am I giving the correct explanation here in the reason? Am I getting the correct explanation in the reason? If I am getting the correct explanation in reason, then only it is the correct. Otherwise it is not correct. So here it is given that artificial neural network backbone of deep learning. Backpropagation is one of the technique of ANN. So these are two separate statements. There you are not getting any explanation. That's why although both are true, but it is not a correct explanation of assertion. Always remember, in paper 1 also assertion reason is coming and students are doing mistake. It is a very common mistake. Very common mistake here. Don't do it. Okay. Yes, 7 p.m. class is free. 7 p.m. class is free. I am giving you the link. All of you can join the link here. So 7 p.m. every day I am taking class for mock test. Do the question. I am giving the link in the chat box. You can join the class. Today also 7 p.m. mock test is there. Every day I am taking free mock test. 1 hour free mock test is going on. So I am giving you the link. Do this question. I am giving you the link. Yes, here the link is there. I shared the link also of the mock test, and be connected with Telegram channel. You will get all the update here. Okay. Yes, answers are coming. Answers are coming here. Answer will be this one. This is the correct answer here, because how the neural network is working? Neural network is working like this way. These are the inputs. After the input there are some hidden layer, and there are some algorithm through which algorithm it is trying to take the decision. After that it will give you the output. This is the way how it is going on, right? These are the hidden layer. These are the input here, right? So what is the correct order? It is given that information input, after that hidden layer. Definitely not. Here this is bias, then in output layer, then hidden layer. After output, what the work of hidden layer? Definitely not. Hidden layer, then algorithm, then output. This is the correct one. Here will be the hidden layer, then algorithm, then output. Here input, output, after that algorithm. How it is possible? So that's why your answer will be option C. Okay. Here I will take the class every day 3 p.m. Your revision will be done, and every day 7 p.m. I am taking mock test. So for that mock test you will get the mock test link in the Telegram channel. I am sharing every day 7 p.m. class is going on. Be connected with Telegram channel, you will get the update. Okay. Chalo. Now do this one. It is also free of cost. This is also live mock test, free of cost. Chalo. Now do this one. Here you can see the match the list. There are two lists, you can match it. But in the question input layer is not given, right? If I am giving you A, B, C, D, it is correct. If I am hiding A, if I am telling B, C, D is correct or not, then it is also correct. So here input is not given. Input is not given, then also it is correct. Right. Okay. Clear, Jayashree? Okay. So here it is the matching with ontological engineering, taxonomy, hierarchy, inheritance and probability mode. How to do it? Probability mode. Probability mode means it is working on the possibility. Probability is always working with possibility. So definitely D will be with 3. Here you can see D with 3. Here you can see D with 3. This is definitely not your answer. Always you need to be very smart. How quickly you can do the answer. This is the way how quickly you can do the answer. After that you can see here. This is confusing. This is making you confused. That is inheritance and taxonomy hierarchy. Because hierarchy is also working on subclass, superclass. Inheritance also there will be the category, subcategory, something. Right? Now see that which one I will choose. See that here it is ontological engineering. Here A is option 2. Here A is option 4. Now ontological engineering option 2 is here knowledge category and subcategory. This is not, because ontological engineering means phenomena. It is the term of ontology is coming from the term of metaphysics. What is working on the phenomena. So that's why ontological engineering represents the concept, event, time of the physical concept of the different domain. It came from the concept of physics. That's why ontological engineering will be with option 4, and this is not your correct answer. This is your correct answer. Got it? How to do? So from the question only your concept is getting more clear and your revision will be done. See that in 1 hour how much revision is done. Just 1 hour class, and within 1 hour so many concept is done, right? If you are learning by yourself, I think you will be not able to do that much. Are you able to do that much in 1 hour? That much effective study? By thinking what to learn, from where to learn, opening the book, checking Facebook, checking WhatsApp. After that time gone, now feeling sleepy, now go to sleep. And it's over. From where the 1 hour over, you will be not able to understand also. Right? That is going on. That is going on or not? Do this one. No, that's good. If it is not going on, that's good. If it is not going on, that's good. Okay, chalo, what will be the answer here? Here in database, the rule is defined like this. This is a rule given to you. Now where the P1, P2, P3 premises are there, R1, R2 at the conclusion of the rule with the certainty factor. These are the certainty factor given to you. And any running program has produced with this P1, P2 and this one respectively. So biases premise. What will be the bias? Any idea what will be the answer? How to solve it? How to solve it? Any answer? Not getting? So I am telling you how to do it. See that. Here it is the propagation of certainty factor. Here the where how to calculate, calculation will be CFE with the CFR. What is CFE? It is the certainty factor of the evidence, and CFR means the certainty factor of the rule. So here R and F is given to you, but from this rule you need to make it simplified. What is this rule? The rule is like that P1 and P2, then or P2 is here, P1 and P2, then you can see that there is or means like this one, or P3. It is like this way it's working. Okay. Now whenever we are doing solution, you can see that CF values are given here. P1 value is 0.5 and means we can think like that it is intersection. And means what? Intersection. After that P2 value is given 0.8 and this value is given 0.2. Okay, so here was the bracket. So according to the fuzzy set, whenever we are doing OR operation, that is the union operation, we will take the max value. So max value means 0.5 and operation max value means 0.8 I am going to take. After that AND operation means we are going to take the mean value. Mean value means 0.5. So that's why your answer is coming here 0.5. 0.5. After that, we will multiply with the value. Here the values are given 0.8 and 0.3. These are the R1 and R2. So for R1 we will do 0.8 multiply into 0.5, that is 0.40, and for R2 0.3 multiply into 0.5, that will be 0.15. That's why your answer will be this one. This is the way how to solve it. Okay, it is also the part of neural network. So many questions are coming from here, so it is the way you need to solve. Clear to everyone? I hope so. Yes. Chalo, now do this one. Which among of the following is false? Be careful here. Which among of the following is false? Okay, answers are coming here. Yes, here is the answers coming. Answer is okay, option 4 is the correct answer, because here why greedy base first search is not optimal but often efficient. It is true. I will tell you about the algorithm also, greedy base first search. It is a very important algorithm, because next so many questions you will get from greedy base first search. I will explain the greedy base first search. After that I will come to this question again. A star complete optimal provided the admissible. This is true. Just now we discussed about that. Recursive base first search is efficient in terms of time complexity but poor in terms of space complexity. That is wrong here. This is wrong, because option C, it is always efficient. Why it is efficient and what is going on in the greedy base first search, I am going to explain you. And here A0 is 81 equals to 0 and admissible heuristic for the 8 puzzle. This is also correct. So option C is the false here. Now why? And the greedy base first search, what is greedy base first search, how it is working, and what is base first search algorithm? Constant satisfaction problem. 8 puzzle is the constant satisfaction problem. So let's learn the base first search algorithm, and it is a very interesting algorithm. Question are so many questions you will get from here. So let's go for the algorithm. Here are the all list of algorithm what are coming under AI. I make a list of all algorithm what are coming under AI. Maybe all the algorithm we will be not able to cover in one class, but here these are the list. You can make a list and you can try to complete this algorithm. Breadth first search, depth first search, base first search, greedy base first search, recursive base first search, A star algorithm, iterative depending A star algorithm, lowest cost algorithm, uniform cost algorithm. You will get all the question here one by one. SMA star, minimax algorithm, alpha beta search, AO star search and or graph actually, branch unbound, hill climbing, constant satisfaction, mean end analysis, genetic algorithm, and the k-mean clustering. These are the most important algorithm under AI. Whenever you have started your learning for AI, then you need to complete this all algorithm which is coming under AI, and questions are coming from here only. So here I am going to tell you that how we are dividing that algorithm in AI. We are dividing into two parts. One is uniform search and another is uninformed search and the informed search. So uninformed, why I am telling it's uninformed, because no extra information is there. Whatever given to you, you need to solve with that one only. You cannot take any additional information. Without any additional information is going on. That's why it is called uninformed. So breadth first search and depth first search, these are the uninformed search. Informed search means when you are adding some additional information here to determine the next step. That is called the best first search. And it is the real example, most popular example, that is called best first search. So best first search is actually working just like the BFS. Difference is that it is using the priority queue. Difference is it is using a priority queue instead of whenever in normal BFS what we did, whenever we did the BFS we maintain a queue, and in the queue we inserted the all elements and one by one we extract it and we check the what are the adjacent element. Here in best first search only one addition is there. That addition is this one, that is priority. Means whenever you are inserting into the queue, then you need to check the priority. According to the priority, you need to insert it in ascending order. You need to insert in ascending order. That is the main difference between breadth first search and best first search. So how this is working, you can see the working mechanism, and this is the priority queue and heap is working here. This is the main point. We will make a open and closed queue one by one, just like the BFS it will work. Just the difference will be priority. That is the main difference. So before exam you can remember that. And here the complexity is coming order of login. This is the complexity of best first search. Best first search is divided into two parts, that is greedy and A-star algorithm. This is the two part, greedy and A-star. And what are the advantage? Why? What is the greedy best first search? So greedy best first search is working. It is trying to find out all the path. It is trying to find out all possible path and taking the most promising one. That's why it is called greedy. It is prioritizing the path appear the most promising regardless of whether or not actually shortest path or not. It is not focusing on actual shortest path. It is going for the most promising one. That's why it is called greedy. Okay, and what are the advantage? How the greedy best first search is working? It will go for the closer one and it is take it. But the advantage is what? It is simple and easy, fast and efficient, low memory requirement, flexible, and efficiency is good. But what are the disadvantage? Disadvantage is this one, and from here only questions are coming. Inaccurate result, because greedy best first search is not always guaranteed to find the optimal solution. It only concentrates on finding the most promising path. This is a most important problem of greedy best first search. Question came from there only. Okay, and question you can see that this is the local optima, heuristic search, lack of completeness. These are the problem. But here you can see the memory requirement is good. Here greedy best first search requires small amount of memory. Even also time complexity is also fast. So option C was given ki it is time, according to time complexity is good, but space complexity it is not good. That's why option C is wrong. Why the option C is wrong? I hope you got the answer. And this is a very important algorithm. Must remember it. And the difference between BFS and DFS. Here is the difference, and this difference is also very important regarding your algorithm, and AI BFS DFS is also required. So it is mainly working on queue, it is mainly working on stack, and it is traversing approach. First walk through all the node in same level before moving to the next level. But DFS approach is this one, that is going for one by one. It is working in LIFO order, it is working in FIFO order. These are the main difference. You can go through it. Here complexity is order of B plus E. Here also complexity is order of B plus E. Here siblings are visited before the children. Here children are visited before the sibling. From here theoretical questions are coming. Very important. And here BFS, no concept of backtracking. In DFS it is using the concept of backtracking. These are the very important point I am telling you. Theoretical statement type questions are coming from here. Remember it. Okay. So these are the main difference between BFS and DFS. So now here you can see the BFS is slow compared to DFS. DFS is fast, and BFS there is no problem of trapping in a finite loop. In DFS, trapped in an infinite loop, there is a chance. There is a chance in DFS. So must go through this all the difference. High chance you can get a statement type question from here, because it is very important. Okay, so I hope it's clear to everyone. Difference is clear. Difference is clear, and why the answer is this one. I will ask you more question on the algorithm. That's why I explain. Option C, why it is wrong? Because recursive best first search, it is under the best first search only. Efficient in terms of time complexity plus poor in space complexity. That's why it is wrong. Okay, chalo. Now do this one. This is the very popular question of UGC NET. 2 to 3 times they ask this question. 2 to 3 times they ask this question. Do this one. Everyone knows the answer, right? Everyone knows the answer. I hope so. Yes. Yes or no? What is working on happy unhappy state? Which agent is working on happy unhappy state? That is utility based agent. There are different types of agent: simple reflex agent, goal based agent, utility based agent. There are different types of agents are there. So from the agents questions are coming. So just do the quick revision on agent, so that your agent revision will be also done. Let's do some quick revision on agent. Here I am giving you the quick revision on different types of agent. These are the different types of agent. You can see simple reflex agent, model based agent, goal based agent, utility based agent, and the learning agent. Simple reflex agent is always focusing on the current percept. It's not focusing on history. It's not focusing on the history, and it is condition action rule. Main focus of the simple reflex agent. And the architecture is just sensor is taking percept from the environment, what the world's right now, what the action I should take now. From the condition action rule, it will take the decision. Model based agent, it is working on partially observable environment, because it is working on model. Some models are there. According to that model, it is trying to match with the model, and it is solving the problem. So agent keeps track on the internal state, which adjusted by each perceptron and depend on the percept history also. That is called the model based agent. Here you can see it percept from the environment, what the world's like now, it will sense, and it will try to match. So here what action I should do now, what I should do now, that is the model. It will try to relate with the model, how worlds evolve, what do I action I will take. These are the actions. So after that it will take the action to the environment. That is called model based agent. Here goal based agent, it is focusing on always goal, how quickly I can reach to the goal. In each and every state it is going for how quickly I am able to reach to the goal. And you can see here the perceptron, what the world's like now, what it will be like if I am taking the decision, what action should I do now, how far I am from the goal. That is the most important part of the goal based agent. Everywhere it is taking that how far I am from the goal. And next one, this is the utility based agent. It is working on happy and unhappy state, and every time it is asking itself that am I happy or not. If I am taking this decision, how happy I will be with this state. how happy I will be with this state. This is the main important part of utility based agent. These are the main different types of agent, and learning agent is the most important part, who is able to learn, who is able to add the rule. Learning agent is the learn from the past experience and has the learning capabilities also. It will start with the basic knowledge and it will add and adopt automatically through the learning. Learning elements are there, critics are there, performance elements are there, and problem generator. It is generating the problem also. From the learning agent, so many questions are coming. Must remember that which agent is able to generate the problem, that is learning agent. Which agent is able to add the new rule through the experience, that is also learning agent. Critic is there in the learning agent also. So this agent is very important, must remember it. Okay, clear? So all the agents revision is done. All the agent revision is done, I hope so. Chalo, now go for the next. So the minimax, this is the next very popular question, minimax algorithm. Very popular one, minimax algorithm. Do it, I am coming in 1 minute. My daughter is calling me. Do it, I am coming in 1 minute. Okay, so answer here, answers are coming. Yes, answer is 5 only, because 3, 5 here max level. I have to go to the max. Out of 3 and 5, which one is max? 5. 6 and 9, which one is max? 9. 1 and 2, 2 is the max. 0 and -1, 0 is the max. Now after that 5 and 9, which one is mean? 5 is the mean. 2 and 0, mean is 0 here. 5 and 0, max is 5 here. So it is a bottom up approach. Every level you need to check that which is max, which is mean, which is max, and you can fill the result. So answer will be 5 here. Option 2 is the correct answer. Minimax is a very important algorithm, although they ask to the alpha beta pruning. But here no need to waste your time to do the alpha beta pruning. Don't waste your time to do the alpha beta pruning, because ultimately result will be minimax only. Alpha beta pruning is a time taking. So don't do alpha beta pruning. Answer will come same. In alpha beta pruning and in minimax, answer will come same. If they are asking the root value, do only pure minimax algorithm. If they are asking which node to be pruned, then you have to go for alpha beta pruning. Other than that, for only getting answer, you can do directly minimax and do the answer. Okay, chalo. Now we are going to do the December 2020 question. You can see. So do this one. Do it. Today my target is to complete all AI question. Do it. Yes, always we have to be very smart. Unnecessarily why I will go for alpha beta pruning. प्रूनिंग रिवाइज करवा दीजिए, ठीक है, प्रूनिंग रिवाइज करवा दीजिए, ओके, इससे ही मैं प्रूनिंग करवा देती हूँ. हाउ टू डू द अल्फा बीटा प्रूनिंग आई एम डूइंग हियर ओनली. ठीक है, चलो चलो कर लो, रिवाइज कर लो, प्रूनिंग भी रिवाइज कर लो, ठीक है, इसको भी कर लो. सो अल्फा बीटा प्रूनिंग, हाउ इट इज वर्किंग. अल्फा बीटा प्रूनिंग, देयर आर सम रूल. What are the rule? Everyone concentrate. I am discussing alpha beta pruning because there is the request coming for alpha beta pruning. So how to do the alpha beta pruning I am telling you. All of you concentrate here. Alpha beta pruning, alpha value always set to minus infinity and beta value will be plus infinity, because alpha is working in max level and beta is working in mean level, and always we are checking that old value and new value, out of that which one is maximum I am going to take it. For beta, old value and new value, which one is minimum I am going to take it, okay. And in before moving to alpha, before moving to the next node, always we are checking alpha greater or equals to beta. We will check this condition, alpha greater or equals to beta. If it is true, then we are going to prune that node. Otherwise, we will continue the search. That is the alpha beta pruning. Another thing is that alpha beta can go down, but alpha beta cannot go up. Alpha beta can go down, but it cannot go up. These are the some rule you need to remember, okay. Now see that how to do. Here alpha equals to minus infinity, beta equals to minus infinity. Here it will go down, means here also it will be minus infinity, beta will be infinity, this is plus infinity, okay. Here also alpha will be minus infinity and beta will be infinity. Now see that I will go to traverse this one. First of all, I am going to traverse this one. It is 3. Now I am going to update the which value in max level I am going to update alpha, mean level I am going to update beta, max level I am going to update alpha. So out of minus infinity and 3, which one is max? Which one is max? Which one is max out of minus infinity and 3? Which one is max? 3 is max, right? Out of this one, 3 is max here. So that's why I am going to update here 3. Don't update the node value. Don't update the node value. Update only the alpha here. So I am updating 3 here. No 5, no. You don't have 5 till now. You have only 3. You don't have 5. Jayashree, Roshni, you don't have 5. You have only 3. You did not visited 5 till now. You did not visited 5 till now. Before visiting 5, you need to check this. Always you have to check alpha greater or equals to beta. Always you did not visited 5. Left child you will visit, and from the left child you will update the value of alpha beta. Before visiting to the right child, you will check the condition alpha greater or equals to beta. 3 greater or equals to infinity. This is false. As this is false, now you are going to visit this one. When you are going to visit this one, you are getting here 5. Now this value will be 5 and 3. Which one? 5 will be updated. Now alpha value will be updated to 5. And after traversing 3 and 5, now you can update the node value to 5. Now your node value will be 5. Whenever you have visited both node, now you can update the value 5 here. This is updated now. Okay? Clear? This part is clear? Now I will go to solve this one. I will go to solve this one. Alpha beta cannot go up. Here alpha beta value is this one only. That is alpha is minus infinity and beta is plus. I will update here which value? It is mean level. In mean level which value will be updated? I will update the beta value here. So whenever I am updating beta value, I will check mean of infinity and 5 because the node value is 5. Mean of infinity and 5, which one is mean? 5 is the mean. Beta value is updated now. Now I will check alpha greater or equals to beta. That is minus infinity greater or equals to 5. This is false. As this is false, again I am going to visit this one. When I am going to visit this one, now alpha beta can go down. Now alpha beta can go down. Okay. Whenever it is able to go down, then it is alpha value is minus infinity, beta value is 5. It is going down now. Now after that I will check alpha greater or equals to beta. No, it is false. That's why I am going to visit this one. Now in this node I am going to update max, that is alpha. I will update alpha here. Whenever I am updating alpha, 6. So minus infinity and 6 is greater. Now you will see alpha greater or equals to beta. That is 6 greater or equals to 5. Is it true or false? 6 greater or equals to 5. Is it true or false? It is true here. Now this is true here. That's why I am not going to visit this one. I am going to cut this node. Here question can come, which one will be cut? 9 node, this one is cut here. I am going to cut this one. And that's why what will be the value of E now? What will be the value of E now? E is 6 here. This value will be 6. According to min max, if I am doing according to min max, then E value was 9. But according to alpha beta, E value is coming 6. If the question are coming like this, then you have to do it. If they are asking specifically what will be the value of E or what node will be pruned, then you will go for this way. That's why here the value will be 6, not 9, because 9 I cut. That is the difference. Clear? The difference is clear in alpha beta pruning. Now it's same way you have to go up. Same way it will go up. Here after that, here you will go out of 5 and 6, which one is mean. Now you can feel the value of B, that is 5 here. Now same way you can continue the next part also. Same way you will continue the next part. Alpha will be minus infinity, beta will be infinity, and same way you can go ahead. The rule will be same. Clear? Is this clear to everyone? After that again it will come to alpha equals to minus infinity, beta will be infinity. Now I am going to update the max, so this will be updated now. 1 will be updated here. When I am updating 1, then after that I will see that alpha greater or equals to beta. No, it will be false. Then again I am going to this one. Then it will be updated to 2. And finally this value will be updated to 2 now. After that I am going to here alpha beta. Again I will update the value here. Alpha value will be updated to 2 now. This is alpha, not beta value will be updated. I will not update alpha value here because this is mean level. In the mean level I will update this one beta value. Beta value will be updated to 2 now. Now it is going down. Alpha equals to minus infinity, beta equals to 2. Now whenever you are updating, this will be 0 now. Now alpha value will be 0. Now it will be false. Now we will update it. So this way you can continue. Okay. Ultimately pruning is here. You can continue the next one. It will be a continuation and you can complete it. Got it? Clear? Is this clear to everyone? In this way you have to do alpha beta pruning. Achha, now do this question. This question I think done. So which one of the following not true for the problem solving of artificial intelligence? It works on the implementation of repetition mechanism. Any artificial intelligence problem is not working in repetition mechanism. That's why this one is not true. So now do this one. The process of removing details from a given state representation is called what? What it is called? Who was asking about alpha beta? Is it clear to you? Someone was asking. Who was asking? अल्फा बीटा करवा दीजिए. किसी ने तो पूछ रहा था. कविता. कविता हुआ क्लियर? क्लियर हुआ? चलो. Abstraction. Processing of removing the details from the state called is abstraction. This is abstraction. So now match this. This is the matching. Very important matching. Do this one. Just now I told question will come from here. Greedy best for search, A star algorithm, recursive best for search and SMA start. SMA star. Match it, match it. What will be the answer? Yes, answers are coming, but option D is not the correct answer. See that it was there. Key here space complexity D equals to depth of the deepest optimal solution. Incomplete even the search space is finite. Incomplete even the search space is finite. What will be the answer here? Incomplete even the search space is finite. It is actually coming here. It is actually coming with the greedy base for search, because greedy base for search is not guaranteed to give you the optimal solution. It will not give you guarantee. That's why it is greedy. So option A will be with 2. Here is also option A with 2. This is not the correct answer. This is not the correct answer. Optimal, if optimal solution reachable, otherwise return the best reachable optimal solution. Otherwise it is giving the best optimal solution. Which one is the correct answer here? This will be your this is A star. Which one is A star algorithm? Here you can see compute and the space complexity, computation and the space complexity is too high. Whenever computation and space complexity is too high, then we are going for A star algorithm. A star algorithm is this one. That's why you can see option A, this is A star algorithm, is doing with the option 4. Recursive based first. Recursive is going recursion. Recursive means recursion. So here it is going in depth. This is D, deepest one. Recursive is going to deepest. That's why it is recursive. SMA star is giving the optimal if optimal solution is reachable, otherwise best reachable optimal solution. That is the SMA star. From this question only you can prepare your short note. Must prepare your short note now. These are the very important lines and statements given in the question. Next time you can get the question as a statement. Which statement is correct? or maybe in a matching you can get this statement. So that's why now only prepare your short note from this question. Now only prepare it. Okay, now see this one. So here it is a clustering came in clustering. I am not going for this. Do this one. Minimax search. Minimax search is the breadth first search, or here it is all the statements given on minimax search. You have to go through it and then do the answer. Share with everyone. Those who are watching, please share it with your friends and tell them to join live, because you are able to see me, right? So the answer will be this one. That is, minimax search is not a breadth first search, it is a depth first search. It is not a breadth first search algorithm. That's why option A is eliminated. You can eliminate the option A. Option B, it is effective but alpha beta pruning deepest one examined. This is correct one. The alpha beta search algorithm computes same optimal move by minimax. Just now I told that. This is also correct. Optimal play game, imperfect information does not require reasoning. That is wrong. It's required always reasoning. And that's why option D is also wrong. So option B and C is the correct answer. Now do this one. Here the question is on genetic algorithm. Do this genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm, read it and do it. Answer. What is the answer on genetic algorithm? Chat box. I am not able to see the chat box properly. Please answer quickly. Okay, answers are coming. Yes, answer will be both are correct answer. Genetic algorithm is a stochastic hill climbing. There are three types of hill climbing algorithm. Just now I am going to tell you what is hill climbing algorithm and what are the different types of hill climbing algorithm. I will discuss with you because it is a important one. And the statement 2 is non-deterministic environment and or search generate the reach to the goal, and then it is also correct. Statement 2 is also correct. You can write down this statement 1 and statement 2. I am going to tell you one thing. And or graph, how it is working. And or search is working like this way. It is a graph and this is a and part, this is a or part. How it is like that? You will study. And part means maybe you study here and you go for exam. Means it is deterministic that I study well, I prepare well, and I will pass the exam. So it is your or part. And part is like that you did not prepare, you did not study, no study, and after that you are depending on your luck. You are depending on your luck. Means it is totally non-deterministic. It is a undeterministic environment. Because here you did not study and you are depending on luck. If both are satisfying, then only maybe you will pass the exam. Otherwise you will fail. So always and problem is always working in non-deterministic environment, and or problem is working on deterministic environment. And that's why here it is correct answer that a non-deterministic environment can apply and or search, generate the contiguous plan and goal of during the execution. And stochastic means actually random. What is stochastic? The meaning of stochastic means random. So genetic algorithm is working on random. It is taking the random value and after that it is doing the crossover. That's why the answer will be statement 1 and statement 2. Both are correct. Okay. So now do this one here, alpha beta. Here so many questions they've merged together, alpha beta, forward chaining, and the inference algorithm, propositional logic, all together merge it and they ask the question. Do this one. What will be the answer for this? Alpha beta pruning, not actually. It is not alpha beta pruning, it is alpha and beta sum inference. It is according to the inference rule. So here, yes, option 4 is the correct answer, because it is telling you alpha entails another sentence beta, means alpha implies to beta. And if beta true, then few words alpha is true, means beta implies alpha. Is it same? Can I say that P implies Q means it is equals to Q implies P? Is it same? They are not same. Never same. Alpha implies beta means we cannot say beta implies alpha. They are not same. That's why option A is wrong. So option A is wrong here. Forward chaining and backward chaining is the are very neural network algorithm, because in neural network there are two types, forward chaining also, backward chaining also. That is correct one. The inference algorithm derive all the sentence that are entailed. So here see that here propositional logic does not, here it is given that propositional logic does not scale to the environment of the unbound size. It is not going to the unbound size. So unbound size means it is correct one, because propositional logic is always solving in a finite area. It cannot solve the infinite problem. Always it should be in a finite domain, because propositional logic you are doing with a domain specific and it should be finite. So it does not scale to the environment of unbounded, that's why it is correct. Okay. And sound inference algorithm derive all sentence that are entitled, it is wrong. So actually option B is wrong. With the elimination of option B you can do the answer. Option B is correct, sorry, option B is correct, and option B is correct, and option D is correct. So that's why your answer will be B and D is correct here. Option C is wrong here. So I will go for option B and D. Okay. Now do the matching here, branch and bound, steepest ascent, hill climbing, constant satisfaction problem, and mean end analysis. Mean end analysis. Sound inference algorithm, there is a algorithm. Sound inference algorithm derive, sound inference algorithm is what? I am telling you what does it, ma'am. So yes, just wait 1 minute, I am telling you what is sound inference algorithm. Sound inference. So sound inference rule is the sound if the conclusion one can infer from any set using the rule of logical consequences, the set of given some proposition. A deduction system is sound if it contains only the sound inference, like that key. It is looks like, it sounds good, like that we are telling something, right? It sounds good. Sound and complete inference means it is a prediction, like that some prediction we are doing here in sound inference, that is maybe sound inference here. So I am giving in the chat box whatever I got it from Google only. I am giving you in the chat box what is sound inference rule. See that here. Yes. So an inference rule sound if the conclusion one of them infer from the one side, means if you are conclusion, if you are coming from one side, then we are going for. It is not going for the all sentence. Any one of them is true, then we can do it, it is true. If it is matching with any one of them, that's why we can say it is true, and that's why option C is wrong. Okay, it sounds good, like that you can remember. Out of them, some of the thinking it's matching with that, so we can say it is good. That's why. Okay. Now do this one. Branch and bound, steepest ascent, hill climbing, constraint satisfaction, and mean end analysis. Doing this. Yes, derive only sentence from the knowledge base. Yes. Now do this. Branch and bound, steepest ascent, hill climbing, constraint satisfaction problem, mean end analysis. Match it. Yes, answers are coming here. So answer will be definitely option 1, because you can see the keep track of partials which can be candidate for the further exploration. Defect difference between the detect, it is not defect, detect difference between the current state and the goal state, that is the mean end analysis. Mean end analysis is working like that way ki it is my current state and my goal state is like this. So what is the difference between current state and goal state? The circle go out and it's enlarge also. So it is trying to find out the difference, that is mean end analysis. So option B will be the option 4, because it is A, B, C, D, like that way you can match. So here you can see, or we are doing here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Mean end analysis is doing with option 4. So yes, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is actually A, B, C, D. This is actually A, B, C, D. So mean end analysis will be with this one. So that's why B will be with option 4. And after that you can see the branch and bound, and this one D, discover all the moves from the current state and select the best move. Discover all the moves and select the best move, that is the steepest ascent, hill climbing. And this one, keep track of all partial and switch with this, so it will be with branch and bound. And after that next one, B will be the, B already we did. See that discover the problem state and satisfy the set of constraint, that is the constraint satisfaction problem. So answer is this one, and from this matching only prepare your notes. I am telling you repetitively, these are the question are helpful when you are preparing your notes. Must prepare your notes. If you are not preparing notes, there is no meaning of doing the question. These are the very important statements, and from the statement if you are writing in your note, that will be helpful for your exam. Okay, now the 2019 question here, this is a most important question from genetic algorithm. So how to solve the question of genetic algorithm? It is a numerical on genetic algorithm. The chromosome is given to you and the fitness function is also given to you. From this one you need to do, there is the population, and this population for this chromosome you need to calculate the strength of the fitness. So how to calculate the strength of the fitness from the genetic algorithm? That is the question here. Do it, solve it. I am going to explain you this one clearly, how actually it is working. Do it and tell me the answer. What will be the answer for this? Yes, answers are coming. Answers are coming here, but option C is not the correct answer. You are telling option C, option D is the correct answer. Those who are telling option C, Priya, option D is the correct answer. Ponnila is correct. Ponnila is correct. Priya is not correct here. So how to do it? See that here actually you need to do these are the binary values. Okay, the binary values you need to convert in decimal value. First of all the binary values convert in decimal value. After that your fitness value was given fx equals to x square. So do the x square. This is 13. 13 square means 169. 24 square. Then 8 square and 19 square. So after that we are doing the summation. Why we are doing the summation? Because the fitness function is given like that, fx divide by summation of fx. Although in the question they provide, but you need to remember the formula. Maybe in the question they will not provide you it. You need to do it because it is the formula of genetic algorithm. And now from this formula it was asking about only a special one, that is 11000. So 11000 means that is this one. For 11000 what will be the answer? So you got here this is 576. So that's why we will do 576 divide by the total, that is 1170. So 576 divide by 1170, you are getting 0.492. Answer is given in percentage, so that's why 0.492, if I am doing in percentage, that will be 49.2. So that's why your answer will be 49.2. That is the correct answer. And in this way you need to solve the genetic algorithm. First of all you have to do the fx equals to x square. After that whatever specific one is asking, you need to do the answer for the specific one in that way. Achha, tell me one thing, if it is asking about the 1011, then what will be the answer? If it is asking about 1011, or I am telling about this one, if it is asking about 01101, then what will be the answer? What is the fitness value for this one? 01101. Then what to do? Then just you need to do that 169 divide by 1170. And for this one if I am doing that 10011, then what to do? Just you need to take this one 361 divide by 1170. In this way you need to do it. That is the way. Okay. 121 not. Here 169. 169 divide by 1170. Ponnila. 169, not the 121. Clear? Is this clear? I hope so. Yes. Achha, now do this one. Consider the following learning algorithm classification. We did this. What is coming under classification? Same question repeated here. Logistic regression, linear, and there was some more option. Logistic, propagation and linear. So here answer will be A and B. You can see 2019 the question asked, and same question asked in 2023. Same question repeated. Same question repeated. 2019 same question repeat in 2023 also. Right. Now you can see here the question on hill climbing algorithm. Everyone is doing correct because just now we solved it. That is the good thing of solving PYQs and MCQ, because you can memorize, you can remember it, so that in exam hall if the question is coming you can handle it. That's why we are solving all the question, right? So consider the following here: trapping at local maxima, trapping at plateau, and this what is the shortcomings of hill climbing algorithm. Yes, these all are the shortcoming of hill climbing algorithm. So I am going to tell you little bit more about hill climbing algorithm. What are the different types of hill climbing algorithm? let's do it so that your hill climbing algorithm will be also done. Just quickly we will do the revision of hill climbing algorithm. Let me open hill climbing algorithm. Yes, this is your hill climbing algorithm. So in hill climbing algorithm you can see these are called the local maxima. This is the local maxima problem. You are trapped here. Actually highest peak is there but you are not able to reach. This is called plateau. You are trapped here. You are not able to go ahead because hill climbing is always from the current position. It is checking the all the neighbor, which neighbor is giving me that from where I can go up. If I am not getting any value which is going up, then I cannot go ahead, and that is the problem of hill climbing algorithm. This is called the diagonal reach problem. It is going diagonally, so it is not able to understand which is going up. These are the problems of hill climbing algorithm. And you can see these are the local maxima, plateau. These are the different problem. And what are the different types of hill climbing algorithm? There are mainly three types of hill climbing algorithm. First type is simple hill climbing algorithm, steepest ascent hill climbing algorithm, and the stochastic hill climbing algorithm. Simple hill climbing algorithm is it's only evaluate the neighbor node state at the time and select the first one which optimize the current cost. It will take the first one and it will go ahead. Steepest ascent is working like that. This algorithm examines all the neighbor node of the current state and select one neighbor which is closest to the goal. That is the steepest ascent. And the stochastic one, it does not examine all the neighbor and node and decide which one is the node to select. It will not decide. Before deciding it will not go, and it is just randomly selecting. It just selecting the neighbor randomly and decide any of them, because stochastic meaning is only random. Stochastic meaning is random only. It is randomly going to select something and it will choose it. So these are the three different types of hill climbing algorithm. Very important. Remember it. And the what are the main shortcoming of hill climbing algorithm? That is also must remember. So from here only question came. This is, you can see, that will be the answer here. Now the next question. Do the next question. This one is minimax algorithm. It is a home. You can do it. I am not giving you home tasks because it is little bit different hill climbing algorithm. Sometimes students are getting confused. Do this one. Do this one. What will be the answer for this? Am I audible? Am I audible and visible? Yes, answers are coming here. So answer is this one. 17 is the correct answer. Because why? How to solve? Sometimes students are getting confused as there are blank how to solve. As these are blank, whenever these are blank, leave it blank. No need to think about that. Whatever blank, leave it blank only. Whatever given to you, you can solve that. 17 and 19, out of them, which one is mean? 17 is the mean. 16 only. 1 1 1 1 1 2. I will go for mean, means 1 1 1 I am going to take. Here nothing is given, leave it blank. 15 and blank, I will take 15 only. 14 and blank, I will take 14. Here all are blank, leave it blank only. After that, coming to the max level, 17 and 16. Max is 17. 1 1 1, here is nothing, so I will take 1 1 1. 15 and 14, I will take 15 only. Here is nothing, leave it blank. Now go to the mean level. In the 17 and 1 1 1, mean is 17. Out of 15 and blank, which one is mean? I will go for 15. 17 and 15, which one is max? 17 is the max. So that's why your answer will be 17. Don't be confused with the blank. Blank means leave it as it is blank. Whatever is in your hand, solve it with that. Just solve it with that and you will get the answer. Okay. So this is the answer. I got the answer in this way. Now 2019 June question. Do this one. We will cover till 2018. I told that till 2018 I am going to cover with you. So all the questions we will cover. Do this one. Reinforcement learning. This one of the dash, initially dash. So it is a direct question. It is a direct question, and from here also you can make a note. Yes, here Markov decision. This is called the Markov decision, in which agent initially only knows the set of possible state and the set of possible action. This is called Markov decision process. It is a part of neural network. You can write down the statement. You can write down the statement. What is Markov decision process? Markov decision process is that where agent initially knows only the set of possible states and the set of possible action. This is called Markov decision process. Write down this statement in your notebook. Next time also question can come, and question can come also, what is Markov decision process? This is called Markov decision process, where you know only the possible states and the possible action. Okay. Now this is the, here you can see reinforcement learning can be formalized in terms of Markov decision process, in which the agent initially only knows the set of possible states and the set of possible action. This is a one type of reinforcement learning. So write down this statement in your notebook. Okay. Now you can see the matching on greedy, lowest cost first and A star algorithm. Do the matching. Greedy, lowest cost first and A star algorithm. So here it is asking about the complexity. You need to the complexity, how to do it, minimal cost, what will be the minimal and what is focusing. Answer. What will be the answer in the chat box? Answers are coming here. So greedy base first, minimal is HP. You can note it down. Okay, just note down it, because everything you cannot go through details. You can note it down so that if matching came you can do it. Minimal is HP. Lowest cost is going for minimal cost P. A star algorithm is going on minimal cost plus the heuristic. That is the GN plus HN. GN plus HN. That's why your answer will be option D. And must make a note. Make a note on this, because next time also matching can come. That's why must make a note on this and remember it. Okay. Now here you can see in genetic algorithm, consider the following. Here it is, which one is following in genetic algorithm. Yes. So here what will be the answer for genetic algorithm? All are correct. Definitely all are correct here, because in genetic algorithm evaluation is also there, selection is also there, reproduction is also there, and mutation is also there. All are correct here. Everyone is correct. It is the genetic algorithm process. Now strip is what type of representation? Strip is what type of representation? There are different types of knowledge representation technique. I am going to tell you what are the different types of knowledge representation technique. After this question only I am going to tell you the answer. Strip representation is what type? Yes, it is an action-centric representation. And for that, let's go through the different types of knowledge representation technique. Little bit quick revision will be done with this. And so that related questions came, then you can do it. Just let me show you different types of knowledge representation. This is here. Here it is. Different types of knowledge representation in AI. So here there is the ontological engineering, from where the question came. The ontological engineering, you can see a machine sounds like an empty box, and unless the encoded for the feature or the information, therefore it's valuable, and this is called the three factor of the machine. This is the ontological engineering. Here mainly it's required knowledge, reasoning and intelligence. Three things are required: knowledge, reasoning and intelligence. What is knowledge? Information related to this. Reasoning means ability of the machine to understand, and intelligence means ability of the machine to take the. Now here are different types of knowledge representation, and properties are there. That is representational adequacy, inferential adequacy, inferential efficiency and accusational efficiency. These are the main properties of knowledge representation. Representational adequacy means ability of the system to represent all kind of knowledge. Inferential adequacy means ability of the knowledge represent to manipulate the current stored knowledge. You can manipulate it. That is inference. Inferential efficiency means the ability of the system directly to add the new knowledge to the system. Accusational efficiency means the ability of the system automatically acquire the new knowledge from the environment, that is you can accuse it. These are also very important terminologies from the knowledge representation system. From here also you can get matching type question or the statement type question. Matching or statement, anything can be there. So remember this 5 and write it down, note it down. This is very important, I am telling you. Now there are different types of technique: propositional logic, first order logic, rule based logic, semantic network, frame and script. This is also important. They can give you like that A, B, C, D, E, F and some more option G, H, like that. Out of this, what are the knowledge representation technique? You need to choose. Maybe they will give you 6 to 7 option. Out of that, which one is knowledge representation technique or which one is non-knowledge representation technique? Any one of the question can be there. So you need to remember these are the all knowledge representation technique, and must note it down, write it down. Question can come from here also. Now how to represent logic? Normally propositional logic, that is P implies Q. Some logic is given, some proposition is given, you are taking conclusion. Predicate logic is working with there exist, for all, like that predicate logic is working. You know that. Now rule based logic. Rule based means if else. There are some rule. If this, then do that, else do this. That is called the if else condition. So rule based means it is if true then do it, if false then do that. That is rule based approach. Semantic network. Semantic network is working how? You can see this is an information, means this is a representation. Ram has a cycle, Ram is a ball, cycle has bell, and this is how we will represent in semantic. It is a graphical look. Semantic means it is a graphical look. It based on the stored knowledge into the system in a form of graph. Here matching type question can come. Semantic network, how it is storing, it is in a form of graph. And here for example you can see this is the way how it is representing. It is a form of graph only. Next one is frame. Frame is representing like entities and attributes. Here very important statement can come from here. Slots are called entities and fillers are called attribute. Very important. Must remember it. Slots are called entities and fillers are called attribute. Here you can see Tommy is a dog having one tail. How to represent? The representation can also come. Tommy specifies the value is dog and feature value is tail. So Tommy is the entity and attribute is tail. Tail is the attribute here. So same way we can say employee is the entity and employee name is the attribute. So frame is working as a entity relationship where slots and filler concepts are coming. Remember these keywords, very important. So script, here is the script. Script is the action centric representation. That is the action centric representation. Here it is going on as per the challenges. I am zooming it little bit so that you can see that. So it is the action centric representation. Challenges and the issue, important attributes, relationship, choosing the granularity and set of object. This is the script. Okay. So from here only question came. This is this is strip is the action centric representation. Script is different and strip is different. It is script, it is not the strip. Script, it is the one technique over the frame. It is more advanced technique over the frame. It is script, not strip. And question was from the strip. Strip is the action centric representation. This is strip. Strip is the action centric representation. It is working on like that primitive and derived feature. It is represent on planning. First divide the feature, describe the states of the world, and after that into the primitive and derivative feature. It is working on primitive and derivative feature. That is the main concept of strip, primitive and derivative feature. Okay. Precondition, effect, and the preconditions will be there. These are the main part of strip. So these are the knowledge representation technique. You need to remember all knowledge representation technique. So let's go for the next question. We did this question. Now this is a question on fuzzy set. So do this answer. Here the question on A alpha 0 denoted alpha cut. So this is given. So what will be the answer for this? I will request everyone try to do it. Try to share it with your friends, all of your friends, so that they can also join. I am continuing the class from a long time, so I can expect that all students should join. If everyone is watching, if everyone is joining, then I am also getting some motivation, right? Otherwise how I can get the motivation? So you can share this to all of your friends. Must share it to everyone so that everyone can join here. Okay. So yes, the answer will be option A is the correct answer, because take some value like that. Alpha 1 if you are taking 0.3, alpha 2 if you are taking 0.5, and if your set is like that, if you are taking set like that 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 and 0.7, if this is your set, then A alpha 1 it will come like that. What is greater or equals to 0.3? It will come 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 and 0.7. But in A alpha 2 it will come that is greater or equals to 0.5. That's why it will come 0.5, 0.6 and 0.7. So which one is greater? Alpha A alpha 1 is the superset of A alpha 2. That's why your answer will be A alpha 1 is the superset of A alpha 2. Okay. How long it will take time? I don't know. How long it will take time to complete? I will be there. 7 p.m. the class is there. Before that I have to end. I know that. I hope more 30 minutes will be required. Maybe within 6 p.m. we are able to complete. Okay. I am not fixing any upper bound. I am not fixing any upper bound whenever I am coming to the marathon. My target is to complete the question, complete all the concept. I will complete it and I will go. Okay, chalo. Which of the following application of depth first search? But at the following application of depth first search, it is not only AI question, it is algorithm question also. So what will be the answer? Tomorrow what subject? Tell me what you want. What you want tomorrow? Tell me. So both topological short and strongly connected component, both are the correct answer. Now do this one. Which of the following example of unsupervised neural network? Unsupervised neural network. How long you are there? How long I am there? We are going to continue. Tell me what subject you want to do tomorrow. So many questions we did. Data structure algorithm. Okay, no problem, no problem. We can computer architecture, data structure algorithm, DS algo. So many requests are coming on DS algo. Okay, we can do that. Self-organizing feature map. This is self-organizing feature map because the keyword is unsupervised. Unsupervised means doing by self. Doing by self, that is unsupervised. That's why option 4 is the correct answer. So it is a minimax. You can do as a home task. I am not going again. You can do it. 2018 question. This is the last question. 2018. So let's do the 2018 question. Which of the following true in semi-dynamic environment? Semi-dynamic environment. Okay, we are doing here today also AI algorithm because AI is related to algorithm only. So tomorrow we can do DS algo. We will do, no problem. Tomorrow we will do DS algo, no problem. Yes, this is the last. 2018 is the last. After that we are going to end the session. We are going to end the session after this. Yes, so semi-dynamic means, what is semi-dynamic? Where environment does not change but the agent's code is changing. That is called semi-dynamic. The example is chess. In the chess board is not changing but the player movement is changing. That's why it is called a semi-dynamic environment. Now the next one. An agent can improve its performance by what? Agent can improve its performance by what? Yes, the learning. Learning is very, very important. You can improve your performance by learning. It is always true. Right. So yes, the next one. S1 and S2. Heuristic is admissible, monotonous. What is the answer? Yes, answers are coming here. Answer will be both statement 1 and statement 2 is true because heuristic is admissible when it is nowhere overestimated, and heuristic is monotonous because heuristic should be random. You should go for randomness. You should not fix some rule. That's why your answer is this one. Okay. Now here the next one. You can see greedy best first search, A star, recursive best first search, iterative A star. From today's class, your so many algorithms are done. If you prepare your notes on algorithm, that will be enough. This is enough for getting a good score in AI also. So what will be the answer? Recursive best first search, iterative depending A star, match it. Answer. Surya is giving answer. From others, answers are not coming. So the correct answer is, I am waiting for your answer. Some answers are coming, but the answer is, correct answer is this one. See that here. Here suffer from time complexity depends on the quality of heuristic. That is A star algorithm. A star algorithm is proper to totally depending on the value of heuristic value. That is a very important part. So that's why A star is working with this one. So B will be with 4. With B with 4 you can do the answer. Just by B with 4 you can do the answer. Other than that, definitely you can go for the point. Here you can see this is actually A, B, C, D. Okay, some typing mistake are there. So greedy base first search, we did it. The select the node expansion and optimal path, that node has been found. So this is the greedy one. Next one is the recursive base first search. Recursive base first search means how to do it. It's avoid recursive base first search suffers from the excessive node generation. That's why it is recursive. That is the problem of recursive. Iterative depending A star search. Iterative is going on. The avoid the substantial overhead associated with shorted queue. So write down these points. Write down these points of all algorithm, so that you can match it in the other question also. It is very important. From today's class only, prepare your notes and go through it, revise it. Now you can see here is the statement on and or search. And or search. I explain also, and here is the question on and or search. Do this. Yes, here all are true. These statements are also very important. These three statements. And or search, always you are getting where you are reaching to the goal node means that is 0. 0 means you are reaching to goal node, and that subtree is giving you the solution. So leaf is this one. Whenever you are reaching to leaf node, every leaf node means 0. OR graph is deterministic and is non-deterministic. I told that and is non-deterministic and OR is deterministic. So that's why all statement are true here. It is a home task for you. Definitely you can do it. Minimax game tree. Always questions are coming from here. And it is the end. Now we end all the question. You can see that we did all the questions, and just go through it. From here what you can do, I am telling you something. Just do the revision and write down the notes from here. Write down, this is the matching question. Write down the notes from the algorithm, and after that here this one also write down in your notebook. Must remember. Now next one, what you have to write down for the heuristic, this one also you need to write it down. Now the semi-dynamic environment. What is semi-dynamic environment? From here note it down. Now minimax algorithm, must practice the minimax algorithm. Unsupervised self-organizing map is a unsupervised neural network. Write down like that way. Now here you can see that the depth first search, these are the very popular application of depth first search. You can note it down. Now you can see the strip is a action centric representation, and from here whatever I discuss knowledge representation, all the points must note it down from the knowledge representation part. After that the genetic algorithm, all the steps of genetic algorithm, because nowadays they are asking sequence also. Maybe they can give you sequence and which sequence is correct. That's why the genetic algorithm steps are also important. Write it down, the steps. After that here again the algorithm, from this algorithm you can note it down all the complexities. Next one is Markov decision. What is called Markov decision? This is the statement, you need to note it down. Then these are the practice, and the hill climbing algorithm. What are the shortcomings of hill climbing algorithm? Must note it down. Here the learning algorithm, different types of learning algorithm, what chart I provide. From the chart, draw the chart in your notebook. Genetic algorithm, this numerical, how to solve the numerical, must practice it. Next time also question can come from here. It is your algorithm, must note the algorithm in a one page only. All the algorithm and all the important part you can note it down from the matching. Here it is alpha beta, you can match it, you can take it notes also. Here in genetic algorithm, these are the statements on genetic algorithm, these are the statement on minimax algorithm, must note it down. And here also again the matching, you can note it down, this matching, and here also the matching, this matching also you can note it down. After that some more extra point where this one utility based, happy unhappy, all the agent, the main important parts of all agent. Now here how to solve this type of numerical, practice it, maybe question can come again. Here this one from the matching, you can prepare your notes. And the what are the layers of neural network, must practice, okay. And then here the neural network, all the statements on neural network, note it down in a same page. Here also what are supervised, unsupervised, here also the drawback, rollback, that these are the, and here all the statements on neural network, must note it down. From the question only you can prepare your notes, that is very very important. What is 4W? So here I provide you what is 4W, you can note down it. Fuzzy logic we did, here A star also. Then after that what is overfitting, you can note down what is overfitting. PQR, this is we did. And artificial intelligence, here this is the thing, what is the neural network. Here is the natural language understanding and generalization, what is that, you can note it down. And XOR and XNOR, where it is working, where it is not working, must note it down and remember it. Here also again the learning algorithm, the learning algorithms are very very important. And this type of problem how to solve, practice it. After that there is no that much thing. A star algorithm, all the important points on A star algorithm, whatever you got throughout the class, must note it down. In this way, through PYQs, if you are preparing yourself, then definitely you can get a good score in AI. I put my all effort, every types of effort whatever required to do the complete AI. So I did it as I promised previously that yes, I will come with the AI session. That's why I complete everything here. So after completion of this all question and of this all topic, I hope you are confident. Let me know in the comment section and share this video to all of your friends and get a good score in AI. Tomorrow we will meet again 3 p.m. for doing data structure algorithm. In this way only we will learn data structure algorithm. Our complete revision will be done in data structure algorithm also. Okay, so chalo, bye everyone, see you again tomorrow. So complete class is done now. So it is now near about 2.5 hours class. Bye, see you again tomorrow. Bye everyone, chalo.